Hello everyone, this is Banashri and today I'm going to talk about marketing. So let's go by definition. So marketing is the process by which companies build profitable exchange relationship with customers. So basically, marketing is the process by which companies create values for customers and capture value from customers in return. So the marketing process contains 5 steps. Step 1, understand market and customer needs. So what is a market? Market is a group of buyers and potential buyers. So customer needs are basically physical, social and individual needs. Wants are shaped by uh, personality and individuality of the person and the culture. And the second step is design strategy. The marketing strategy should be customer driven. Then develop an integrated marketing program. Step 4 is build a profitable relationship with customers and attain customer delight. And the last step is capture values in return. Thank you for watching my video.